Okay, so in this video, I am going to teach you on subtopic 2.2, which is the first derivative. So what is first derivative? It means that you have to differentiate the equation by using the formula. Okay, so what is the first derivative formula? So first of all, if the question asks you to find the first derivative, you have to know this is equivalent to differentiate. Okay, so this is equivalent to differentiate, and symbol for differentiate is dy over dx. Okay, so this is the first derivative formula, which is dy over dx. Symbol for first derivative formula, dy over dx. So first of all, before you want to do the first derivative formula, you will be given the equation of y in terms of x. Okay, so first I will give you equation y equal to ax power of n, where a and n is a constant. Okay, so since a and n is a constant, it means that a and n can be any number, except y and x, it will remain as variable. Okay, so what is the first derivative formula? So we write it as dy over dx equal to, okay, there are two steps on how you want to do the first derivative formula. First step, power bring in front. Okay, so power is n, so n bring in front of the constant, so you will get n a. Okay, so variable x power decrease by 1, so n minus 1. Okay, so these are the two steps. The first step is power bring in front of the constant. Okay, which means you have to multiply by the constant. Power you bring in front to the constant, so n a, therefore n multiply by a. Okay, so second step, power decrease by 1, means that you have to subtract by 1 lah. Okay, so n minus 1. So these are the two steps on how you want to do the first derivative formula. Okay, there are three notation used to indicate the first derivative. Okay, so the first notation is I give you the equation of y in terms of x. So for example, I give you y equal to negative 2x squared. Okay, so you have to find the first derivative, so which means dy over dx. There are two steps on how you want to find the first derivative. First step, power bring in front, and you have to multiply the constant. So 2 multiplied by negative 2, you will get negative 4. And then second step, power decrease by 1. So x power of 1, because 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So you will get negative 4x. That will be your final answer. Okay. Okay, second notation, you will be given the equation in terms of function. For example, I give you fx equal to negative 2x squared. So fx is a function. Okay, instead of I give you the equation of y in terms of x, so now the question give you in terms of function. Okay, in function notation. So fx equal to negative 2x squared. So you have to find the first derivative. So what is the symbol first derivative for function? We write it as f prime x, not f power of 1. Okay, so this is what we call as f prime. Okay, ni adalah palang. So f prime x equal to, so the step for first derivative is still the same. Power bring in front, then you multiply. So 2 multiplied by negative 2, you will get negative 4. X power decrease by 1, so x power of 1. Okay, so the answer is f prime x equal to negative 4x. So this is the second notation. Okay, the third notation, when the question give you d bracket negative 2x squared over dx. So if you see the question give you like this, what you have to do is you find the first derivative. So the step are still the same. Okay, so power bring in front, so 2 multiplied by negative 2, you will get negative 4. X power decrease by 1, so you get x power of 1. Okay, it's just that the equation given, it already replace it by y. Okay, since supposedly we write it as dy over dx, but in this case, it replace the y with negative 2x squared. Okay, so it's actually y equal to negative 2x squared. Okay, the question is already substitute y by the equation negative 2x squared. Okay, so if you see question in this term, so you know you have to do the differentiation. Okay, the steps are still the same. Differentiate, power bring in front, x power decrease by 1. Okay, let's see example 1. Differentiate each of the following with respect to x. Okay, so for your first question, it is given that y equal to 2x. So you have to differentiate, and the symbol for differentiation is dy over dx. Okay, so step dia sama, power bring in front, so in this case x power of 1. Okay, cuma soalan tak tulis x to power of 1. Dia biarkan saja x. Okay, so you have to know lah x equal x power of 1. So 1 multiplied by 2, you will get 2. X power decrease by 1. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. So x power of 0 is equal to 1. So final answer 2. Okay, it's actually 2x power of 0 sebab 1 minus 1 power decrease by 1. Okay, so we know that any number power of 0 you will get 1. So final answer is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2. Okay, okay, proceed second question. So you given y equal to 2x power of 2. So find the first derivative, or you have to differentiate with respect to x. So the symbol is dy over dx equal to power bring in front. So 2 multiplied by 2, 4. X power decrease by 1. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, so final answer 4x. Okay, so next question. Y equal to 2x power of 3. So you have to differentiate. So the symbol is dy over dx equal to, so 3 multiplied by 2. So you will get 6. X power decrease by 1. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay, so that will be your final answer. Okay, next question number 4. So you have to differentiate. So dy over dx equal to, so power bring in front. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 2, you will get 1. But you don't have to write the 1. Okay. So straight away write x power of decrease by 1. So 1 over 2 minus 1, you get x power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, so you have to simplify your answer. You will get 1 over x power of 1 over 2. Okay, so simplify as 1 over third x. Because we know power of 1 over 2 is equivalent to square root x. Okay. Okay, question number 5. So y equal to 2x power of negative 4. So differentiate dy over dx equal to negative 4 multiplied by 2. You will get negative 8. X power decrease by 1. So you will get negative 5. It's either you want to let it be your answer like that, or you want to simplify. So you bring the x as a denominator. So negative 8 over x power of 5. Okay. So either one lah. Okay, dua-dua jawapan accepted. So next question number 6, differentiate. So dy over dx, power multiplied by the constant. So 5 multiplied by 1 over 4, you will get 5 over 4. X power decreased by 1, so you will get x power of 4. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, next question number 7. Okay, so differentiate dy over dx. So power negative 6 multiplied by negative 1 over 3. So you will get positive 2. So 2x power of decreased by 1. So negative 7. Okay, either you want to write it as like that or you want to simplify 2 over x power of 7. Both is accepted. Okay, next question number 8. Differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, so differentiate dy over dx equal to, so since there is no x, okay, yang mana kat sini, bila tak ada x, we know it as x power of 0. There is no x, so which mean x power of 0. So if you want to do the differentiation, 0 multiplied by negative 5, you will get 0. Okay, so automatically when you are given an equation of y in terms of x but there is no x and you have to differentiate, automatic the answer is equal to 0. Okay, so differentiate negative 5 without the x, then you will get 0. Okay, so next question number 9. So differentiate y equal to 9. So there is no x, which means when you differentiate, you will get 0. Okay, so next question number 10. Okay, question number 10. Equation given is negative 2 over 3 third x. Okay, there is no power of x. So you have to change the equation x in indices. Okay, you write x as a power. So y equal to negative 2 over 3 x power of 1 over 2. Okay, square root, we write it as indices is equivalent to power 1 over 2. Okay, so when you already have the power, then only you differentiate the equation. So dy over dx equal to, so power bring in front, so 1 over 2 multiplied by negative 2 over 3. Okay, so you will get 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 x power decreased by 1. So 1 over 2 minus 1, you will get negative 1 over 2. Okay, so you have to simplify your answer. So x you bring as a denominator. So 1 over 3 third x. Okay, 1 over 3 square root of x.